Hi, boys and girls. Time for math. Let's work on the number 9. I'm getting my rods. You know, we always just get out the rods that we need. And today there's only one color we don't need. We do not need orange. Do you know what what number orange is? That's 10, you're right. So I'm holding on to the 2 orange ones. And the rest on the board. And do you know what's next? I build my 2 staircases. So I always start with 1, 2, and light green is 3, and purple is 4, and yellow is 5, green is 6, black is 7, oh my goodness, brown is 8, I'm going to neaten them up a little, and finally 9 is blue. So go ahead and build your staircases. When you're ready, come right back. Okay, so now we're working on the number 9. There's 9. And we need to find 2 numbers that make 9. And you know me, I like to start with 1. What would you put with 1 to make 9? Did you pick 8? Because that works. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Or 8 plus 1 equals 9. Or 9 equals 1 plus 8. Or 9 equals 8 plus 1. Pretty cool, huh? And we know how to put that into our bond, right? So I'm going to turn this so we're not going to knock anything down. This red doesn't have a big spot to work on. Okay, there it is. So, if we were doing 8, 1, and 9, how would we fit it in our bond? Well, the whole number is 9, right? And the 2 parts are 1 and 8. Now we need to figure out how to write it. I always start with the 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Or we can flip it, right? 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Or, 9 equals 1 plus 8. Or 9 equals 8 plus 1. Pretty cool. Now, boys and girls, because we're up to such a high number, I know that you're probably not going to do all of these with me. And you know what else? Miss Rudd's probably not going to have time to show all the combinations. But you can work on that. So this time, I'm going to turn my number bond because we already know. Can you see it? There there it is. We already know it doesn't matter which way it goes. So back to this, we had the 1 and the 8. What's another combination we could do? Well, you know me, I like to go to the next number. 1, 2, 2 plus, I think you're right, 2 plus 7 equals 9. Or 7 plus 2 equals 9. Or 9 equals 2 plus 7. Or 9 equals 7 plus 2. Well, like I said, we're not going to write them all out today, but we can fit them into our number bond. What's the whole number we're working with? The number 9. And what was one of the others? That's right, we said it was 2 plus 7. Very good. Now, boys and girls, you're going to get to go through all of this. You know, I want you to work with it. I want you to try it out. I want you to see how it goes. Well, let's see. Let's continue, okay? Let's do our number sandwich, and you can go back and do some other work. But we start with the 9. It's really 0 plus 9 equals 9, right? What would come next? 1 plus 8. Next, on top of the 1, we're going to put the 2. And it would be 2 plus, does that fit? Yes, 2 plus 7. So we've got 1, 2, what's going to be next? 3. 3 plus, oh, that works, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What would go here? Well, I think it is the 5. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 5, so 5 plus 4. That's cool. That's a turnaround. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is right. And what color? Dark green. Well, look here. They had light green, 3 plus 6. So I bet it's going to be 6 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now when I look down here, we had 2 plus 7. So I bet it's going to be 7 plus 2. 7, then comes 8. And look, it was 8 plus 1. So now it's, 1 plus 8. Now it's 8 plus 1. And then at the top of the sandwich, 9 plus 0. It's pretty cool, isn't it? It makes a really neat design. If you want to practice writing those equations, you can. We're all the way up to 9. You're doing a great job. Now, today, boys and girls, you have one page in your math book. Okay? And today, you're going to be deciding which one matches. Well, not matches. You're going to make them match. See how this has a number 8? And there are 8 circles? Some are dark, some are light. You're going to put the correct numbers to make this bond match that 8 card. Put the right numbers to make this bond match that 8. And here, there are 8 circles. One of them is colored in. Make this match this bond. And this one here, has a 0 colored in. I bet you can do it, though. That's a challenge. All right? So take some time today to work on the number 9. It's fun to make the 9 sandwich, and it's fun to see how many equations you can do. You guys are really smart. And then one page here. I hope you have a wonderful day, boys and girls. Math is everywhere.